Hello, good morning everyone student. Today we will learn the next topic applications of artificial intelligence. In the yesterday topic we have learned about the different languages used for artificial intelligence. We have seen the languages like Lisp, Prolog, Strip, Planner, that type of languages used as per their different way. Today, we will see the different applications used with the help of artificial intelligence that will be very important for us. And in the exam, this question is very important. So, listen carefully and write whatever you understand. After knowing what AI is, we should also know how it is being applied. After knowing what AI is, we should also know from it is being applied. We have already understood the concept AI. So we have already known about that concept. But we should have to know about how and where it should be applied. Artificial intelligence has been used successfully in fields like video games, stock trading, medical diagnosis, robotics, law, scientific researches, toys, and web search engine. These are the different fields where AI can work as its application. So we will see the different applications. Right now, you can look at your textbook. There is an image at the top of the page. Satellite, robot, different type of research is there related to the space research organization can also use the application of AI. Machines can do our job very easily. However, to accomplish this, they require exact instruction and mental alertness. Generally, in the human body, nerve system helps to understand what is going on, and human can react with the different part. For example, a mosquito can be removed from the hand whenever it bites over our skin. We directly remove it, remove the mosquito from our body surface because we can't take the more dangerous type of disease from it. So the mosquito can affect to our body. We can understand with the help of our nerve system. The sensation of the body can be understand, and our brain replies over that. This is the instruction automatically fed inside the human body. But in case of the robot or any machine who works with the instruction as per the computer given to it. So while working over different machines with the help of computer or the instruction given by the computer, it can work as per the instruction only, because machine only follows the instruction that are giving to it. So at that time, artificial intelligence can play or can act very well at that type of places. AI helps them attaining this. Such machines prove helpful to society also the more work they do. there are so many machines can do the work, can do the more work than the human body, because these are the machines, and machines that are artificial intelligence are like children also need to be taught the right thing to do. If we give the instruction to a robot, it only performs over that instruction if the instruction is already fed inside the programming language, or whenever the software of the machine has created that time, if given instruction is there, then it follows just only that type of instruction. If they are expected to take right decisions, they should be made wise. It is the programmers of AI also need to alert and correct the programming so that no mistake happen and no accident occurs. Student, I want to ask you that have you seen the movie Robot or other movies like that? In that movie, you can see the robot follows the instruction of the human. Or I think you watch the different programs over the Discovery Channel. Over there, you can see the different applications of artificial intelligence. Different machines are there. They work with the instruction of the computer, and the different machine act as per the instruction given to it. I hope you have already seen the different programs that are showing the different applications of the AI. I think over the Discovery Channel or History Channel, there is some program. Over TV channel you can see, or with the help of YouTube you can also see the different applications of AI. From that you will learn the good type of knowledge. So we will move towards a new point. AI plays a major role in computer science. Computer science is one of the field, and in this field, researchers have created many tools using AI to solve most difficult problems in computer science. Some examples of practical applications are, in the computer science subject there are so many problems, but some of the problem can be solved with the help of AI. We will see. Deep Blue, a chess playing computer, beat Gary Kasparov in a famous match in 1997. There was a match over the computer. Deep Blue was the game, chess game at that time, and Kasparov beat beat Gary Kasparov in a famous match 1997. You can see a picture of that over your textbook page. Deep Blue game. Optical character recognition OCR system translate the random typewritten script into text. OCR. OCR means optical character recognition, and this technology, this machine converts the data written over a page into the text, typewritten script into text. So this script can be changed from typewritten script to text, and typewritten script could be a random type of script. So this machine, optical character recognition machine or the system, used to translate that type of script into the text. Handwriting recognition is used in millions of personal digital assistant PDA. PDA, have you seen a picture of PDA in our some basic computer video? In that video, or you can see a picture of a PDA. PDA was the smallest mobile type of device that we are using before some years. So that was very useful for writing, or some of the softwares inside it there was using as the handwriting recognition is there. Speech recognition allows the computer to interpret human speech, the list in endless. Human speech recognition recognize the human speech. If someone is speaking something, to take that type of voice inside the computer can match the inside type of stored speech. If the speech is matching, then the output will be true, otherwise output will not show to the user. So that are the different ways in computer science can help the AI in different way. We will see the another field, finance. Banks use artificial intelligence system to recognize their banking operation, invest in stock and also in property management. Different banks performs their task regularly, but out of which some of the bank can take the help of artificial intelligence to invest their money in the different field like stock, property and etc. The next field is medicine. Clinics use artificial intelligence system to organize bed schedules, make duty chart for staff and provide information that patients and doctors. Of course, today AI with many advanced features, it is used in medicine to help the doctor and patient in diagnosis and treatment. While doing the treatment of a patient with the help of AI, medical industry or medicine or different hospitals, clinics can use the AI system for getting help out of that, due to which some operation will be very easily. The detail of the patient or the doctors or nurses there, the details of prescription or the treatment detail with the help of AI also, it will be very helpful for the staff inside the clinic to give a better treatment as per the schedule generated by the AI with the help of computer also. The next field is important field, robot is there. You can see a picture of robot there over your textbook. Have you seen that type of robots that are helping to manage a cupboard for keep the different things inside it? Different weighted machine, weighted instrument is there that can be lift very easily and can be put inside the boxes with the help of AI. You have seen, I hope you have seen a different machine working as per the instruction different type of products can be created. Whenever a company creates a different product, that time there will not be use of many human beings or use of workers. There will be use only the different machines for doing some type of operation, like making something, or as per the automatic system. Whenever the machine works, the machine is called AI type of machine, means artificial intelligence type of machine, that is just only following the instruction of the performed operations. So just it is very important. Robots have become quite common in heavy industry. Robots have become quite common in heavy industry. Humans, when they are assigned repetitive jobs, can cause accident or make mistake due to lapse of concentration. If instead of machine, human is working over the different operation, then there could be a mistake. There could not be perfection is there for creating a job or a product. Human can cause the accident there with their legs or hand, but machines are made up of metals, so if there is some accident, will not cause the body. Just we should have to remove the part of the machine, and whenever new part will apply there, machine can work very easily without affecting human bodies. It is very important, student. So listen carefully whatever I am saying to you, and try to watch different programs over the Discovery Channel. You can just see, or you can see the different applications of AI over the YouTube also, that will help you to increase your knowledge. So see over the definition or the written part inside your book. So look at your book. Robots have proven as an effective replacement for humans in these kinds of jobs. What robots can do? Robot removes the human, means robot can replace the human. There are so many companies using the different machine instead of the human, and earning so much amount of money than the human workers. With the help of different machine, different companies can easily understand and can easily earn a lot of money in a lot situation. Product can be created in a large quantity, so many companies prefer the different robots for working there instead of human. They neither lose constant concentration nor make mistake. Human can do the mistake, human can do the lapse of concentration, but machine can't do. Machine just follow the instruction given to it, so that are dangerous for the human. Japan is world leader in the production and using the robot. Japan is the very developed country, and we have already known about the Japan, that the country made so many types of robots for the different purposes. So as per the purpose, robots work is different. So many companies uses the robot inside their companies. In Japan is the largest use of robots there inside the different field. Some of the robots can help inside our home also. if we are giving him the instruction that any guest has come to our house and bring the water, glass of water from the kitchen, then robot just follow the instruction. He will go to the kitchen and bring a glass of water for the guest. For this, just we have to give the instruction how many glasses of water you want. So it will just follow the instruction. If we are giving the 2 glasses of water, it will bring 2 glasses of water from the kitchen for the guest. You can see the different applications over the YouTube also. So I am giving that type of instruction again and again for learn more thing that I am saying to you, that is inside your textbook. You can learn more thing that I am saying to you. There could be some mistake while I am teaching to you, but you can see the different videos related to that, and you can also comment over the video if there is a mistake done inside this video, and you can improve your knowledge in a better way in some of next videos. Okay, so we will see the another application. Transportation. Fuzzy logic controller have been developed for automatic gearboxes in automobiles. This use a method where a drivers of automobile need not bother about shifting the gears while driving. The program will take care of that, and it will do gear shifting automatically. Whenever transportation method is there, if there we are using fuzzy logic controllers, it is developed for automatic gearboxes in automobiles. Some of the vehicles uses that type of technology. During the transformation, there will not be a loss of concentration, because work is made up of machine, and it can control directly whatever instruction fitted inside it, through which it can be easily perform the different operation. For example, has been given inside your textbook that the gear shifting can be done automatically with that type of machines. So we will see more about that. The next application, telecommunication, is there. Many telecommunication companies make use of heuristic search in managing schedule of some thousands of engineers. In telecommunication companies, there are thousands of engineers are there, and it can be managed by the AI system. The similar system we have seen at the medical type of system. So you can take a reference from that also. Toys and games. AI has been widely used in bringing joy and leisure into human lives, especially children's. Video games are made by using AI to certain extent in internet. The basic search engine from uses AI. The first robotic dog, Aibo with the intelligent feature, is a good example for AI used in toys. I hope you have seen a different AI applications or the different malls. Whenever you go there, different type of product is there that can be help for playing over that. Small children play with the help of that different products. whenever children sit over that, they can perform different actions, different operations is there automatically. That type of games perform with the help of AI, or the different type of product is there, gaming product is there, that can be help for playing, and that will be very interesting for the children for getting a good fun with the that type of product. So one of the example given in your textbook is a dog, dog. Aibo was the first dog made up of machine, and it is a part of intelligent artificial intelligence. So like that, there are different products available in the market. You can also search for that over the shopping website, so you can see the different product is there, you can purchase from there also. Or some of the company direct selling to the different customers. There are different type of companies that provides directly to the customers, so you can call over that, you can purchase that type of product for your personal use also. Music. In the field of music, the experts are trying to use AI to do a job of skillful musical composing. Composer music is a very essential thing for music type of people, means a music director or composer. The different part of the system of the music, means different peoples that are managing or that are searching for the new technology can help, can take a help of AI. Performance music theory and sound processing are the field in which research is going on. Nowadays also different research are going on inside the field music. The next field is aviation. In the aviation field, you can see a picture inside your textbook. One machine is there and working with the one type of small simulated model is there. AI helps in combat and training simulators. It is widely used in the train air traffic controller with a speech recognition software in AI. There is a software with a AI. With the different AI, there is a different softwares are also important, because every machines can perform the different work. So as per the different work, programming will be different, the language will be different for making that type of software. So as per the work of the product, only the programming related with that product. For an example given inside your textbook, that a voice or a speech recognition software that can be helped with the air traffic controller also, or train traffic controller also, or to train a air traffic controller he can use a AI also. AI supported software helps in creating conceptual design for the aircraft. We have already seen whenever I was talking with you at the starting of the aviation point. NASA created software that could enable a damaged aircraft by fly until it finds a safe landing place. NASA created a software. NASA, you have already, you have to know about the company NASA. NASA is the organization, not a smallest company. NASA is the big organization, biggest organization that is at the USA, and this company or this organization has already made a software, that are using a software that will be enable damaged aircraft by flying until it finds a safe landing place. Software can cure some type of damaged type of aircraft also, whenever it is flying in the air. While at that time, repairing type of part directly can be done with the help of different AI softwares also. Whenever aeroplane is flying in the air, at that time any person can't repair the aeroplane, where whenever it is flying in the air. But software can help. Different software are there that can be help for repairing that some of the fault available, the repairing technology inside the software. Various tools of artificial intelligence are used in speech and text recognition, data mining, and email spam filtering. Spam email is there that will be filtered with the help of AI. Also, other application include the robots. You can see a robot is there while repairing. And aviation, obstacle avoidance, object recognition, etc. in some field such as weather forecasting or finding bugs in computer software. We have seen that part before some of my sentence. You have seen finding bugs in computer software with the help of AI. Finding bugs. And expert system are more accurate than the human. Expert system with the AI are more accurate than the human, because human is the human being and the machine can do the more work than the human. But machine made up by the human. Who made the machines? Human made the machine. Who made the AI? AI made by the human also. Different scientists work over that, making the AI. But AI can perform accurate working for the different machine while repairing or making new type of products. In short, we can say that the system with AI have the power and range to replace human. When we replace human, whenever some type of dangerous work is there, some type of more work is there, more hardworking is there, cannot be done with by the human, can be easily done with the help of different AI type of machines. But only when they are used with the discretion, they can benefit mankind. The different product can give the benefit as per the mankind. Because even though the machines are fed into enough options and strategies, they can make a decision. They are not reliable. Only human can take decision according to prevailing circumstances. Through machines help them. For example, in the field of medicine, computer can aid doctors, but human doctor cannot be replaced. But some of the fields are there. In that field, we can't depend over the machine directly. There should be combination of human and the machine should be there, because machine don't having the expression, machine is don't having the feelings, so due to that can't do the operation like the doctor. At least some of the operation can be performed with the machine with the help of AI, but It can't replace the doctor. The AI can't replace the doctor because doctor should help to that machine at only some of the places is there. Artificial intelligence is a very wide topic under which there are many subtopics. Since this is the field which is developing on a day to day basis, it is difficult to see all aspects of AI in one lesson. Hence, explore the net as much as you learn more about the miraculous world of AI. In this chapter, we have learned some of the topics from the AI. But when in the world there are so many topics, tremendous topics available over the internet. You can take, enjoy, you can get the enjoy from that. You can search the different topics over the internet also. You can get the more knowledge related to that. Within this chapter, we have learned some of the basic things related to that. But maybe in the some next videos, we can see the different advantages from that. Or you can search a different videos over the internet also, over the Google, or you can use the YouTube channel, YouTube, different YouTube videos, different YouTube channels you can search. Over that you can see the uses or the applications of AI for your personal knowledge gaining about that type of field. You will be master in that field also. If you are getting a more knowledge than your textbook, you can read many books related to that topic. AI, artificial intelligence is there. If you can understand the different languages, you personally can develop your own type robot. If you know the different concept for that, for this you should have to learn different languages related to AI. So for that I will suggest to perform or to study the different languages related to that. If you having some interest over that, you should have to take a knowledge of related topic from the largest institutes available in Pune or Bombay. You can choose any one of that from there. So if there is no field available there, you can go to the abroad also for getting the knowledge about that. If you having the interest and if you are able to perform the different operations related with the different languages, if you have the good mind for performing the different mathematical operations also, you are good with the mathematics, so you can easily perform the different things there. So I will give you the instruction. If you are having the interest in that type of field, you should have to get more knowledge. You can take a diploma courses or the degree courses from the different colleges related to that type of field. If field is not available inside our country, you can go to the abroad also for taking the good knowledge about that, and you can perform the best operations in the different companies also. You will get a best better job in the different company after you will getting the good knowledge about that. So our chapter is end today. We will learn more chapters, more type of videos we will see in the future. So you should have to study as per your best performance. I hope you will enjoy all type of videos, and you should have to write down whatever I am saying. If you are not writing, you will not be understand in the future. Right now you can understand very easily, but if you want to get the more knowledge, then you should have to search over the internet also. You should have to write and memorize the concept what you have learned already. So thank you student for watching this video, and if you like this video, then click over the like button and spread over with your friends. Okay, thank you student, we will meet in our next video. Thank you.